for the medical coding profession and the downstream entities like book publishers, exam writers, and course creators, it is Christmas in July. Yes, sir, and yes, ma'am. It is a time of year that coding updates and guidelines are released. We get an early gift this year. This particular update is on ICD-10-CM. Want to know more? Well, stay tuned. Oh, and stay until the end of the video, and I'll share another interesting tool to add to your coding toolkit. Hey there, and welcome. If you are new here, you don't know me yet. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, we provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. As a result of my straightforward strategies, tips, and optimistic approach to education and learning, I've transformed hundreds of students to become certified medical coders who have developed dynamic careers in the business of healthcare and are valuable resources in their own right. Consider subscribing to my channel to get the latest and greatest information and tips you need to become a certified marketable medical coder. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of my weekly videos. The 2022 ICD-10-CM codes and guidelines have been released and released early. The 2022 ICD-10-CM codes are effective October 1st, 2021 through September 30th, 2022. There are 159 additions, 25 deletions, and 27 revisions. There are 22 chapters in the ICD-10-CM manual. Let's take a look at where we will find the new codes. In Chapter 1, Infectious and Parasitic Diseases, there is one new code. In the Chapter 2, Neoplasms, there are 3 new codes. Chapter 3, Diseases of Blood and Blood-Forming Organs, 5 new codes. There is one new code in Chapter 4, Endocrine, Nutritional, and Metabolic Diseases. There are 3 new codes in Chapter 5, Mental, Behavioral, and Neurodevelopmental Disorders. 10 new codes will be in Chapter 6, Diseases of the Nervous System. Chapter 9, Diseases of the Circulatory System, has 1 new code. 13 new codes in Chapter 11, Diseases of the Digestive System. In Chapter 12, Diseases of Skin and Subcutaneous Tissue, you'll find 8 new codes. Chapter 13, Diseases of Musculoskeletal System, 23 new codes. Hey, that's one to check. Chapter 16, Conditions Originating in the Perinatal Period, 9 new codes. Chapter 18, Signs, Symptoms, and Abnormal Clinical and Laboratory Findings, 14 new codes. 45 new codes in Chapter 19, Injuries and Poisonings. 3 new codes in Chapter 20, External Causes. 19 new codes in Chapter 21, Factors Influencing Health Status. And 1 new code in Chapter 22, Codes for Special Purposes. You have learned that the ICD-10-CM codes and guidelines have been released. You have also learned about the specific chapters that have added codes. Questions of the day. Are you seeking more information on the ICD-10-CM updates, be it the codes and or the guidelines? Well, let me know in the comments below, and I may be able to help you out. Also, a new ICD-10-CM browser tool is available. It is brought to you by the National Center for Health Statistics, and it is a web-based application to search for ICD-10-CM diagnosis codes. The link is in the description box. Be on the lookout for my video review of this tool. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. And if you are interested in more information on these tips and others, on how to become a certified marketable medical coder? Well, then check out these videos and check this out. Are you interested in medical coding, but not sure where to start and scared of wasting time and resources? Let me help you with the right steps to become a certified marketable medical coder. Learn more at bit.ly/5stepscoder. If you liked the video, don't forget to let me know by hitting the thumbs up, hitting the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you are informed every week when I upload new content. I love hearing from you, so let me know you were here by asking a question, providing a comment, or just stopping by to say hi. You can also give me a little love by sharing this video on your social media platforms. Tag me in your video share at PRNCodingEDU. Let's stay connected and connect others. If you want to know more on the wonderful world of health information, coding, or compliance, watch one of these videos. Remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care, and thanks so much for watching.